Today I'm speaking with Pradeep Vajram, Executive Chairman of AlphaICs. He is also a board member at the India Electronics and Semiconductor Association. Pradeep is regarded as one of the most successful entrepreneurs in the Indian semiconductor industry. He has built 2 companies from the ground up and has seen their successful acquisition by Qualcomm and Ericsson. Today we're going to ask questions to Pradeep which would be of interest not just to entrepreneurs but also to executives from the industry. Pradeep, you have been an entrepreneur, an investor and also worked in large corporates. How has been your journey and what have been your learnings?
It's been a great journey. I've been in this industry for 30 years. I've started with LSA Logic, late 80s in US, all the way to AlphaIC Corporation today. I've worked for 3 corporations, 3 startups. The learning has been tremendous. I've learned technologies, I've learned management and continue to learn.
You have seen markets in India and in the US predominantly. What would your advice be to entrepreneurs who want to work in these 2 geographies?
If I look back in the last 30 years, there are many things I've learned, but if I had to pick the most important thing to be successful, I would say the right team. You associate yourself with the right team, and whenever you make a key decisions, you always think about the company. Never put yourself before the company.
So what should the focus be now, post the debacle of COVID-19?
With the COVID-19 situation, we are certainly in uncharted waters. Nobody can tell with certainty how this whole thing is going to unfold. Given that, as an entrepreneur, as a management, one thing you have to make sure is business continuity. Put the infrastructure that is needed to make sure the business continues as usual, as well as the productivity continues to be the same. With this situation, we'll certainly know that revenue uncertainty will be there, funding uncertainty will be there. Therefore, the financial spending becomes very, very important. Spend very wisely and spend in things that are very critical for your operations.
Tell us about AlphaICs, the company that you're now heading.
AlphaICs Corporation is a startup company focused in AI processor. We have innovative technology with a scalable architecture. We are into developing edge core processors for multiple verticals, including IoT, automotive, and consumer electronics.